Hello, Professor Place. My name is Fernando, and I am here to give you my self-evaluation slash critique video. So the reason why I think critiquing is so important is because it helps you grow as a graphic designer in the real world and also in school if you are attending school for your associates, your bachelor's, or your master's degree in arts. So over the years, first starting when I went to the University of South Florida, I was going for my Associate of Arts. And when I first came in, I had absolutely no idea what graphic design really was until I started taking my courses. And the professors that I had really broke it down for me. And the way that the classes were set up were mainly critique based. It was a lot of projects that were handed out or assignments, like little small projects that we would do in class, and we would get critiqued at the end of class. Or if we had like a bigger project to do, we would have about a week to do it, and we would have classes in between to have like a studio session, or we would have some days where we would have a 2 to 2.5 hour critique on everybody's work. So it helped me a lot because it not only helped me to be a better designer, but other people could see my work from a different perspective, and they were able to help me out so well and seeing all the things that I needed to correct moving forward with my projects, with my homework, or my artwork in general. So I think it's very important to self-evaluate yourself as an artist, because when you step inside the real world, the agencies that you might apply for, the small businesses, are going to be looking for a lot of different things, and everybody is different. Going into the real world, everybody is into different things, and not everybody's going to like the same thing. So I think everybody is going to have a different opinion, which is beautiful to me because I get to see what everyone's perspective is on my artwork and how their opinion or their criticism can be applied to the work that I am creating at the time. So that is my reasoning for my critiquing moving forward slash my self-evaluation, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.